sit.
Speaker, sir, I wish to draw
MLA
the
Cruz
attention
Silva.
of the House to a matter of grave concern affecting the future of sports in Goa. The Sports Authority of Goa has recently introduced a policy requiring sports associations and schools to pay for the usage of grounds. While revenue consideration may be one aspect, this policy directly hampers the training and preparation of our state teams. Associations are not only training players who represent Goa at national level championship, but also conduct state and district championship. These are teams event across 6 categories: seniors, juniors, sub-juniors, men's and women's. For such event, at the very least, grounds must be provided free of cost. Without adequate access to training facilities, how will our players perform well and how will sports in Goa improve? I urge the government to reconsider this policy and ensure that for national teams training, state and district championship, grounds are made available free of charge. This is essential to nurture talents and uphold Goa's sporting spirit. Speaker, sir, आमची हॉकी असोसिएशन हा पण 23 पासून तांगे ग्रांट्स मेळ्ळे नाही. पण आता तांकां भुरग्यांक ट्रेनिंग दिता जाल्यार तेमी ग्राउंडाक पयशे भरपाक पडटाय. आता 30 days 31 days तेमी 2,56,000 भरपाक जाय. आणि ही ट्रेनिंग नॅशनल टिमीक वता वा एका आमचे डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवलाचेर वता हे ग्राउंड तांकां फ्री मेळपाक जाय विथआउट एनी पेमेंट.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.